Okay, so my name is Sujit Kumar. I'm presenting today. The topic is OLTP. Okay, so OLTP is online transaction processing. In day-to-day life, we do many transaction. Okay, let me set the time here. I don't know how to set time. Can you tell me how to set time here?
What are you looking for?
When I want to make slide turn on, then it will turn on.
Okay. So do one thing. Go to play presentation, the first one. Go to that, and then use your arrow key.
So yeah, so my name is Sujit Kumar. Today I'm presenting a topic OLTP. This is known as online transaction processing. As we know, no, Sanket, it is not happening. All right, so this is a topic name is OLTP, online transaction processing. We know in our daily life, we do any kind of things, it is a transaction, okay? If we go to any near shop, also take anything, it is known as transaction, even the bank, everything. So here by definition, you can see it is a processing, is a type of data processing that consists of executing a number of transactions occurring currently. Or you can say that many people or doing a small transaction every day. Okay, so that is known as online transaction processing. And once you have such data of sort transaction and you can take the insight of that data, it is known as online transaction analyzing processing. So that is the second slide. Okay, this is a the difference between OLTP and OLAP. So OLTP enables the real-time execution of large number of transactions by large number of people, where online analytical processing usually involves querying of this transaction, okay, in a database for analytical purpose. And OLP helps company extract insight of their transaction data so they can use for making more informed decision. It is like a business intelligence tools. Okay, so this is the difference between these two, OLTP and OLAP. So if you want to know, if, for example, in a school, parents are going, okay, with their children and get to know about how the children is working or how the children is building up day by day. And the teacher is saying your child has got grade A, okay. Same way, many parents are coming with the, teacher parents meeting is there happen, okay. So many parents are coming with their children and they are just wanted to know how their child is doing. And the teacher is saying somebody get A, somebody grade B. Most of the students are getting same good marks or good grades, okay. And there is a one more department known as OLP. So here one man is analyzing how the children is doing in this school, and some parents who wants a new admission in that school, and he comes to this person, okay, to know whether my son will do well this school or not. So this person knows all the data of this school and this know how the data is good or bad. So he will guide these parents, okay, that your child once take this admission in this school and the result of this school is very good, more than average, every student is doing good, okay, and most of the student are more than average marks they are getting. So the parents are agree on this analyzing and they can give the admission to that school of their children. So this is the basic definition of OLTP. Okay, so these are the small meeting to the teacher, so you can take as a transaction. And this is OLP analytical processing. So principal, so here one guy, okay, he's that is a principal, he knows everything about this school, so he can better guide to these parents whether he will go with this school or not. So this is an analytical processing. So once you know this basic definition by this example, so you can go for the technical differences. So here you can say the full form is online transaction processing, whereas OLP is a online analytical processing. Characterization difference is large number of short transaction is online, okay. Here low volume of transaction, because there is a number of students who are taking teacher parents meeting, where many a few customer or many few parents are coming to know about the school performance. Okay, and the statement you use, okay, insert, update, delete. Where is ONLP? Select a statement use. Why? Because in select we need all the data to analyze what is going on, okay, or monitoring with the data. Database type is normalized, means data are in an organized way, okay, in a tabular form, where it is a denormalized, okay. And number of tables here, number of tables are more. So suppose if in a bank transaction you have a saving account, transaction type, current account, so all the many tables are there for different things, okay. Okay, but here analytical processing, there is a no number of tables required. We need only data for analytical purpose. And the indexes are used. You know that Ranjan sir has taught us about indexes. So indexes are used to get data fast, okay, from the database. So here indexes are limited because we have already separate table. So it is very easy to go that direct table and take the data from the database. But here more, because here the data is not organized, okay. So in a same table, many things are data are means it is there. So we need indexes to take data from that same table. And system of source of data. Source of data is the same OLTP, but for OLAP, the database source is the OLTP, because this analytical is based on the transaction, that all short transaction that is happening every day. And used by whom? It is an end user. Okay, we are the user using OLTP because we are going bank every day, doing transaction, phone pay, UPI. So we are end user. But here business analysis, someone is sitting in the bank, they can say how many person are having saving account, current account. So they are analyzer, like what we are going to become data analyst. So we can do that analyzing. So and function is day-to-day transaction data, as I said earlier. And this is analyzed data reporting. Like once we become data analysts and working in a bank, so we analyze the data, we make a report, we make a dashboard. So for this is an online analytical processing. Queries, it is a simple queries. It is simple queries which return a few record. Like you want to know, okay, like you go to ATM and take out the money, and you want instant of how much balance is left out. If you get 5 minutes later, you will get many confusion. What happened to my account? Is this hack and all? So it is a very simple and returns a few records and very fast. See the last line, usually very fast response should be get, okay. And this is a complex which is involves aggregation, like aggregation function and all. So this is for analytical purpose. So we need many large data, and if we want to fetch large data, it will take time. Amount of data can few seconds to hours, okay. So these are the technical difference, and I told you about the simple example about a student and teacher parents meeting. So these are the difference, and thank you. A big thank you to all. Thank you so much.
Sujit, thank you so much. I really don't know how you managed to make these concepts so simple to understand. This is delivery at a different level altogether.
Thank you.
So would you say that a data analyst's job is more OLAP than OLTP? Yes, we do have OLTP.
Yeah.
When we update records or insert and delete, but generally, we fall under the OLAP category.
OLAP, yeah, yes. We are doing analyzing of this transaction, and based on transaction, we are giving insight to the company, bank, or any sector. What?
Hi everyone, my name is Aruna Priyanka. So mine was a normal topic, so I took this green technology. So today we are going to discuss about what is meant by green technology. And
Priyanka, sorry to interrupt you. I think there's a lot of noise somewhere.
one moment. Yeah, 1 moment.